Okay, fourth and fifth pigeon can get out of the bus.
I guess I can handle being with the fifth pigeon.
I hope there is no storm incoming.
All right, pigeons, get out of the bus. Okay, pigeons, I am going to stay in the bus.
Okay, fourth pigeon, tell me about something bad that you have done.
Something bad? I don't know.
I saw the bus monster earlier and you caught me.
No, that didn't happen. I was sitting in the bus peacefully.
But you spilled some liquid on the bus.
That didn't happen either. I was a very good pigeon.
Then you are naughty. I was on the nice list and you aren't.
What did I just tell you? That didn't happen either.
Are you crazy? For the whole time, you lied about everything I told you.
I am going to
Oh my God, my heart is racing right now. What just happened?
I don't know. I think this means that a tornado is coming.
I got to tell him. Bus pigeon,
What?
there is a tornado incoming.
Oh dear, we have to go.
The tornado is coming towards us.
Run away from the tornado.
Tornado.
Phew! I ran very far from the tornado, and I'm safe here. Wait, where are all of my friends? Don't tell me. I am the simulation crasher. What will happen next?